everyone! My name is DM and welcome back to my channel. Come with me to go prop shopping. Our first stop is Michael's. So right here we have a bag of do-it-yourself pumpkins. They also have skulls. These kind of priced at 20 bucks, so I thought they were a little pricey. Even with the discount, it would come down to 12. If you think that's worth it to do it yourself and to paint these on your own, I totally understand. These paper mache figures, I feel you could do so much with them. You can either paint them or keep them as is for a really cool concept. And so I decided to go over to the foliage. Look how beautiful this is. So when you're looking for foliage in stores, usually the real stuff tends to be cheaper and the fake stuff that'll last you a lot longer ends up being way more pricey. But I did find these artificial bushes, $5, not a bad price at all, and they look awesome on camera. Here we have some knickknacks, which I thought were super cute. Obviously wouldn't have to DIY these yourself, but they're so amazing. Lots of variety, can be used for so many different concepts.
I'm gonna check out the Five Below. I've never been there before, but always heard really good things about it, and I just want to see what they have like props wise. Like, I don't think that anybody should be breaking the bank with props. Use things that you have around the house, but if you do want to go out and buy something, I want to help you find the cheapest that you can, just to have an inventory for yourself for the future, especially if you're buying seasonal props. Do not break the bank. So come with me, we're gonna check out Five Below and I will show you what they have in there.
So this is my first time at Five Below and I found a bag of already painted pumpkins. How cool is that? These came in like a resin and a cloth material. I really think that the cloth ones were super cool. And here we have glass pumpkins that you can put lights inside, you can put faux candles inside. Oh, they were so pretty. And then I saw these really cool disco balls, which I think are awesome. They were styrofoam in the middle and around $5. This was so cool, I had to pick it up. Like, I really did. This rack had some cool little foliage in like these little glass vases, which I think are so awesome. And then look how beautiful these little tiny vases are. And of course, little candles and knickknacks and things like that. So pretty. I adore these little glass vases. Obviously, ceramic is a classic. The glass, you can do so much with lighting. And you can never go wrong with fake plants. And our third and final spot for the day was Target. Okay, so these are the same style of pumpkin as Five Below, but they're a little bit smaller and also cheaper. $1, you cannot beat that. And then you've got these cute little woven ones. Cute little pumpkins, very festive, very fall. And then look at these kind of spooky trays. I thought that these were so cool. They're metal, very well made, good quality. I thought that we saw some pretty cool things that would be perfect statements in anybody's prop inventory. What did you think? What was your favorite? Where do you want me to go next? Comment, like, subscribe if you like this video or not. If not, that's totally okay, but if you did, definitely give me pointers on what you want to see next. Bye!